A new listing for Vivo's upcoming Y32 has been populated with images of the device. It looks quite similar to the Y33s with a waterdrop notch and triple camera setup on the back. The Y32 also features a flat frame just like the Y33s. Not much else is known about the Vivo Y32 for now. The phone also passed by the 3C agency, which revealed it packs 18-watt charging and confirmed the device will not feature 5G connectivity. We'll update you with more info once it emerges. But so far, continue to enjoy the list of what to expect from the upcoming device, and don't forget to subscribe.